Here I am expressing the importance of mental health days and vulnerability. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. The Grinch thought he stole me, but now I'm coming back. So welcome back. Tune in. We finna get litty. It's my vlogmas. So Capriciana vlogmas, and we focusing on ourselves. Period. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Capriciana. It's me. As you can see by the title, y'all, today I'm finna be rejuvenating or moving my room around. In other words, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna be cleaning up. I'm doing a little bit of yoga. I'm getting a lot of things going today. I already brushed my teeth and got everything together. So good morning to y'all. But anyways, so yeah, that is what's going on today. So let's go ahead and get directly into it. So yeah, I've been realizing how important mental health days are. And as you can see, this is what I'm working with right now. I just took my sheets off my bed and I've just decided that I'm going to get out of bed today and get my mind right. I'm going to move my body more than my mind. Here am I in the mirror just getting myself together, y'all. Um, Long days seem really long, but they get better, you know. And so I've just done this, or I'm doing this to remind myself that all days aren't bad and things are coming together for me. So, you know, if I clean up my area and I clean up my space and I wash my clothes and just do everything that I need to do, if my outer space is organized, my inner space will be in a better position. So that is just what this video is about. Just getting myself together, realigning myself, reconnecting within my soul and within my energy and tapping into my feminine energy and just taking care of myself. And when I say take care of myself, I don't mean just cleaning up or washing dishes or doing laundry. I mean taking care of my mental health. You know, I mean supporting myself even when I don't or I feel like I don't have support. I mean uplifting myself. I mean tapping into my spiritual energy, talking to God more, you know, just really uplifting myself more. And so that is what today is going to consist of me getting myself together and reminding myself that God has me here for a reason and that everything is falling into place for my life, because ultimately, although yes, as humans or in general, because animals or species have bad days as well, we all experience bad days. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. There's always a sun or shine that's going to come out of darkness. So it's always best to get our life together, get our days together, get our mind together to align us to a better path of life. And, you know, if you are in this position or whatever position you may be in to where you don't feel like it's your best day, if you just get up and you just clean up everything or you get everything together, it helps you remind yourself to be grateful for all the things that you already have. It helps you, you know, reconnect and realign with everything. So that is very important. But here I am just getting my bed and getting everything together. I'm going to be moving my room around a little. So here's that. Cleaning your space and reminding yourself of what your home feels like to you is the ultimate goal. Reminding yourself of the space that you are in, that you are living in, that you are breathing in and just being in, whether it's part of your day or your entire day. Your space is very important. It's very important to take care of your space nearly as much as you take care of your heart and your mind. For your space is your privacy. Although you may not be in the happiest place, or your space may not be designed as perfectly as you would like it to be, this space is yours and you should claim it and you should uplift it and you should breathe in it fearlessly if you are in a position to, and if not, still breathe fearlessly, because the space that you desire will come ultimately so suddenly, so unexpectedly from the universe that you will admire the spaces that you were once in that didn't bring as much peace or happiness. But the fact that you were still able to breathe and live in that space so fearlessly and take care of it as if it was already beautifully created and designed as you'd already like it to be, you admire and you are even more grateful for your new space. I was looking up the definition of space, and it says an area that is free, available, and unoccupied. And it has made me realize how I don't allow my mind to have as much space that is needed. My mind is continuously flowing through thoughts that feels like an impression to me, that feels like I am in a battle with the reality of my life. And although in my reality there is so many things to be grateful for, my mind seems to be occupied with thoughts that does not uplift me as much as needed. And so now that I've realized the definition of space and I've realized how much space I allow my mind to have through my daily life, I am now coming to an understanding that my mind needs to be free. My mind feels so cloudy and so filled with thoughts and so misunderstood, but I should feel free. I should feel like I am motivated, I am uplifted, I am whole. I should feel like I am on heaven on earth in my mind, because although my mind have positive and negative thoughts, as each of us do, my mind is very powerful, and ultimately my mind thinks whatever, or is trained based upon how I teach it to think. Here's my skincare routine. As I wash this water over my face, it just feels so free. It feels so soothing. It feels like all the things that I'm constantly worrying about, it doesn't matter, because here I am right here in the now in my reality. I must state that it is very important to be grateful for the now. It is very important to be, or to sustain where you are, to progress to even more in the future. It is very important to just be grateful, to be still, to not only take care of your physical health and your mental health, but your emotional health. How you feel is okay, and your feelings are valid, as I remind myself daily. Feeling like I'm in competition to prove myself to another side of me, to a world that don't understand me or probably will never will, or some do, but you know. My bath was so refreshing. Here are my slippers, And here is my space that is now cleaned, organized, and I suddenly feel more free and open to vulnerability.